Let's go, guys. Hey, Keychain, it's me, Kiki, and I am back with another cool video.
Perfect. Perfect.
I'm Kiki Chef at your service. It's time to stir it up, mix it up, and bake some stuff. Remember, Keychain, it's very important to make sure that we eat our rainbow, our fruits, and our vegetables. But we're also kids, so it's okay to have a little delight. Keychain, do you know what comes after a good meal? A delicious dessert. So today's dessert is a cookie brownie. First thing is first, I washed my hands. Cookie brownie, cookie brownie. So I have my ingredients ready, which are 2 tablespoons of water, 1 to 4 butter, and 1 egg. Right here are my brownie mix and my cookie mix. Gonna pour them into the bowl. Whoa, that's a lot. Now I'm gonna pour my cookie mix in. TV Chef, let's get mixing. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of water. I don't want to make a mess. Make sure that you do not make a mess. Now I'm gonna put in my butter. It's 1/4 butter. Ugh. Time to put in our eggs. It calls for 1 more tablespoon of water. And 1/4 butter. Let's get started. That's so messy. I can't get that. Remember to grease the pan before you bake it. Now it's time to bake. So my sister is gonna put it in the oven for me. And I can't wait to see what it looks like. Key Chef. This is one of my favorite parts. This is really yummy. I'm looking a mess. A chef knows when to lick the bowl. It'll take 50 to 51 minutes. I'm gonna get cleaned up and leave it all behind. I'm back, and it smells like my cookie brownie is all ready. Assistant, please bring me my dish. I can't wait to test it out. Try it. And put it out. Your face is really good. It took a while to bake, but it was worth it. It tasted really great. You guys are going to have some keychain. Oh yeah, keychain, I have a fun key. Make sure that you brush your teeth after dessert. Okay, Keychain, the kitchen's closed. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and smash that red button below. See you kids. Bye.